how to enable and disable the overlay from Discord in specific games that you're playing. So if you've ever been playing a game while talking to your friends in a Discord channel, you notice that sometimes there might be an overlay in the upper left-hand corner that'll show who's talking by highlighting their username and also their logo. Usually it's like up here in the upper left-hand corner. So if you go down to user settings here and then go down to game activity, what you can do is from your recent games that you've played, they'll show up here. Like for myself, I've got Rocket League, Rainbow Six, Fallout. If you want the overlay to be displayed, you can toggle the overlay here over on the right hand side. So for Rocket League right now, I have it toggled on. So if I'm playing a game with Rocket League with a couple friends, it will show that overlay in the upper left hand corner or wherever else I specified it within the overlay settings tab. But for specific games, if you want it to only be displayed, let's say if you're just playing Rocket League or you're playing Call of Duty, something else like that, that's where you would use this to toggle it off or toggle it on. So right now, if I toggle it off, it won't show the overlay showing who's talking, yada, yada, yada. But if I toggle it on, it will show that overlay while I'm playing Rocket League. So that is how you enable and disable the overlay for Discord within different games.